G'day folks, it's time for another flip cup pour. Today I'm doing a series of red violet, brilliant magenta, jaune brilliant, opal and pale gold, all from Jo Sonja. And I'll be using my normal pouring medium. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. Now I've already prepared my canvas, so I've put giant push pins on the back as well as painter's tape to protect the back of my canvas. So now it's time to layer the flip cup, and I'm going to be using my standard cell activator, and I'll link to a video on how to make this. I'm just going to start with a fairly generous layer of this cell activator on the bottom of the cup. Okay, time to flip the cup. Leave that for a couple of seconds. So I'm just going to save the paint that's left in the cup here and use it to cover the edges and corners as usual. Okay. Now to actually stretch this out. I think I might spin this one out now. I'm just going to stretch out that center a little bit because I'm quite liking the sections around here more so than this section. I still need to cover this corner down here, but I think the other corner is largely done. I think this one turned out quite subtle in terms of the lacing overall. I've got more defined lacing down in this section, which then kind of almost dissolves in some interesting patterns up here on the top left. And underneath all of that, I've got these beautiful layers coming through of the different colors. It's quite interesting overall. So I just wanted to take you in with the camera now and show you that that section on the left where the lacing seemed to disappear is actually because there's this beautiful layer of the metallic gold, the iridescent mica-based pigment that causes this incredible shimmer across the top. So I think that turned out really beautifully on the left-hand side of this painting. I also love these delicate lacing as well as the beautiful layers of different hue underneath that lacing. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Please let me know what you think in the comments.